I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you decide where to place curiosity gaps in a faceless explainer video? My rule is simple. Place open loops at section boundaries, not inside the lines doing the actual teaching. Here's the framework. First, the opening gap. In the first 5 to 10 seconds, create one central tension, not three. One. The viewer should know what they're about to learn and why it matters. Second, the bridge gaps. Every time you move from concept to example to mistake, or mistake to fix, add a small unresolved question. That's the best placement because the viewer already understands the current section and now they need a reason to cross into the next one. Third, the payoff gap. Right before your strongest reveal, open a short loop and close it quickly, usually within 30 to 60 seconds. Quick checklist. Don't put curiosity around definitions, don't stack more than 2 unresolved loops, and if the viewer would be confused without the missing information, it's not a curiosity gap. It's just unclear writing. In Satura, we track these as section-to-section loops so the script stays readable. Use curiosity to create momentum, not fog.